One thing about me is in second grade, I was at my neighbor's house after a parade. She came outside and said, "You want a snack?" I said, "Of course I do." So I took a bite of the snack she gave, and little did I know this would cause me to misbehave. I said, "Wait a minute, what was that?" She said, "A chocolate-covered cashew." I had no reason to not like the snack. However, I always thought nuts were sus. I never ate one till I was 7 at this exact point in time. So then it felt like the nut was stuck in my throat and I started tweaking out. I sprinted home to my house and I said, "Dad, Mom, there's a nut stuck in my throat." Then I started vomiting. Couldn't stop puking all over the house. My parents were like, "Shoot, we should probably take her to the ER." So my dad picked me up on the side of his hat and he started running to the car. But I said, "Can I sit in the front seat?" He said, "Yes." And that was a great time for me. Next thing you know, we're in the doctor's office and I puked all over the doctor.